In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube lagging on your Android phone. So if you're having an issue where you're trying to play a video and it keeps lagging, I'm going to show you how to go and fix this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and open up the settings on your phone. You'll then need to scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on Software Update. Click on the download and install button and just make sure that your Android is fully up to date. This is important as sometimes outdated software can cause issues with the apps. Now, once you've done this, head back over to the previous page. You can then scroll up and click on apps. You'll then need to scroll all the way down this list, and right at the bottom here you'll see YouTube. Go and click on it like so. You could then press force stop in the bottom right hand side and click on OK. Now scroll down again and click on storage. Click on clear cache in the bottom right hand side and then press clear data in the bottom left. Now just click on the delete button. Once you've done this, you'll just need to go and power cycle your Android. Now you can do this with a simple key combination. So you need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time, and we're going to hold these down for about 30 seconds. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to hold these two buttons down, and after holding these buttons down for about 10 seconds, you'll see the screen will go completely black. Just continue to hold these buttons down until you see the Samsung logo appear. Once you see the Samsung logo, go and release the two buttons. You can then go unlock your Android and open back up YouTube, and that should have fixed any lagging or freezing issues.